This is answer 12. Provide that the accounting equation is satisfied in the following transactions of Samir Goel. 1. Samir Goel, then serial number, transactions, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. We have the following assets and liabilities, that is cash, advance rent, stock, capital, creditors and outstanding salary. First one, started business with cash. Cash will be increased by 10,000, capital by 10,000. Third, second, paid rent in advance. It is an asset. It will be deducted from cash, added to advance rent in the asset side. Advance rent minus from cash, added to advance rent. That is 0. LHS is equal to RHS 0. Then new equation. Then third transaction is purchased goods for cash 5,000 and credit 2,000. Purchased goods for cash and credit. Third, purchased goods minus from cash 5,000, added to stock 7,000. This is 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to creditors plus 2,000. That is equal to new equation, cash 4,700, advance rent 300 plus stock 7,000, that is equal to capital 10,000 plus creditors 2,000. Fourth item, sold goods for cash 8,000, costing 4,000. Cost price 4,000, sold for 8,000. That is sold goods, cash will be increased by 8,000 and stock will be reduced by 4,000. There will be increase in capital by 4,000. Hence the new equation will be this. Our stock is going out minus 4,000, cash is coming in for 8,000 and there is a profit of 4,000 which will increase our capital. Then fifth one, paid salary 450, salary outstanding 100. Paid salary paid and outstanding minus from cash 450, add to capital, add minus from capital 550 because this is an expenditure. The total salary amounted to 550 will be deducted out of capital. We paid 450, hence 450 will be reduced from cash. And our liability increased by 100 rupees because outstanding salary is rupees 100. Then there will be new equation. Then sixth one will be bought motorcycle for personal use, private use, motorcycle. That is drawings. One word you can say drawings, private expenses, minus from cash rupees 3,000, minus from capital 3,000. And new equation will be rupees cash rupees 9,250, advance rent plus 300, stock rupees 3,000 is equal to capital rupees 10,450, creditors plus 2,000 and salary outstanding or outstanding salary 100. And this will be the final answer.